Sawdust briquette machine is mainly used in charcoal production line. All kinds of sawdust briquettes with different sizes can meet your requirements. The power and temperature controller can be adjusted manually to meet the needed temperature. A motor drives the inside screw propeller to move ahead. The screw propeller pushes the materials into the molding tube with high temperature and high pressure. Then the finished pinnacle can be produced out in a steady speed. Workers will pick up and settle these ropes into the iron cage for further carbonization. To avoid polluting the air, you can also set the flue gas collecting device beside the charcoal briquette machine.